Namaste, ladies and gentlemen. Yet another Hall of Fame interview, and today we have another special guest with us, Piyush Patel. Piyush जी बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for inviting me.
Great. So पीयूष जी ने किताब लिखी है सुपर हीरो नेक्स्ट डोर. तो इनकी किताब के बारे में इनसे बहुत ज़्यादा जानेंगे, बट उससे पहले हम पीयूष जी को जान लेते हैं. पीयूष जी आपका तारुफ करा दीजिए एक बार देखने वालों से.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. So my name is Piyush Patel. I belongs to Surat, Gujarat. I'm a Gujarati guy. So in terms of academics, I'm a mechanical engineer. Then from last more than 10 years, I'm doing a job into technical sales. So as I'm an engineer, I'm into engineering sales.
Okay.
But writing, reading, self-development, इंस्पायर करना, लोगों से बात करना, ये सारी चीजें इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ पैशन.
Great.
काफी टाइम से कोशिश कर रहा था, बट somehow I could able to accomplish this with the help of yours, definitely. So this is my short introduction.
Great. Now, talking about your book, what is superhero? Who is superhero?
So विनीत जी, मैं strongly believe करता हूँ, and this is definitely with the help of my own life experiences and knowledge, that a human life is just not limited to survival. It's just not limited to reproduction. It's just not limited to earning money and achieving lot many things. Human life is an endless possibility, and I believe that there are three types of people in this world. So one is dreamers, definitely, who just keep on dreaming. Most of the people सिर्फ सपने देखते रहते हैं कि मुझे ये बनना है, मुझे वो बनना है, या मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है. वो पूरी जिंदगी सपने ही देखते रहते हैं. They never take any action. And second type of people are achievers. They also dream, but they take actions, they achieve. But achievers, most of the time, they achieve the things for themselves only, for their family. They are quite of limited time in terms of mindset. They are kind of limited people. And the third type of people are definitely superheroes, who just not dream, who just not achieve, but once they achieve something in their life, whether it is in terms of knowledge, whether it is in terms of money or anything, once they achieve something in their life, they start inspiring, not only inspiring, but they help other people to do the same, to achieve the same. और यदि हम लोग अभी right now, if we talk about the world, we need millions of superheroes, because we are facing lot many challenges. We have a lot of pain in this world, and if we will not help each other, if we will not inspire each other, then I don't think so that this world will become a better place for our children. So this is what a superhero is, who dream, who achieve, and then he inspire and help other people to achieve the same.
Very well said, Piyush ji. So I now understood the meaning of superhero. But how you can say that superhero next door?
So superhero next door simply means you can find superhero anywhere. So as I said that ki human life jo hai, it is an endless possibility. We all are superhero. There is superhero within us, but it's just because of our life upbringing, our life experiences, and the derived knowledge, we start having so many limiting beliefs. We just get limited to certain area of our life. We don't even believe that I can inspire other people, I can help other people. So most of the people, जब help करने की बात आती है, तो सिर्फ most of the people believe कि सिर्फ आप पैसों से ही help कर सकते हो दूसरे लोगों को, which is not at all true. आप काफी सारे तरीके हैं, आप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो जिससे आप दूसरे लोगों को इंस्पायर कर सकते हो, हेल्प कर सकते हो. So with the help of this book, I want to also give a perspective you know. So in life I strongly believe that it's all about perspective, कि आप life को देखते कैसे हो, आपका life जीने का नजरिया क्या है. So with the help of this book, I want to give this perspective that there is a superhero within you. It's just a matter of breaking those limiting beliefs. And superhero next door means you can find superhero everywhere.
Great. Very well explained. Very well explained. Now, my next question is, how one can become a superhero? क्या कोई formula, क्या कोई steps, कुछ है क्या?
Absolutely, absolutely, sir. So this book is all about that formula is. तो ये book में मैंने actually I have given that 8 steps powerful formula by which anybody can transform their average mediocre life into a superhero life.
Great. Would you like to explain any one or especially the starting point?
Yeah, absolutely. So one of the most favorite of mine, one of the steps is to finding out your life's passion, purpose, mission, and vision. You know, most of the people believe that this mission and vision is just limited to companies, but it is not. That we all should have that vision, you know, that. So if I talk about my vision, I want to live in a world where there are 1 million superheroes are there. I want to build an army of 1 million real life superheroes. So just imagine a world where we are living with 1 million real life superheroes who are inspiring and helping other people. So that is my vision. And I want to live in that kind of world. So I think everybody should have a vision in their mind that in what kind of world they want to live and in what kind of world they want to raise their kids especially.
Correct.
So to become a superhero, I think finding out your life's mission, vision, and top of that, finding out your passion and purpose of your life is very important.
Correct. Correct.
And one more thing I would like to share is definitely one of the most important steps is about self-love actually. That we before inspire other people, before we help other people, we should accept ourselves. So this, you know, 8 steps formula starts with self-love actually.
Great. Superb. Superb. Usually, a lot of people have difficulty in finding out their passion.
Right.
I do this also, I do that also, and I do that also.
Right.
So how one can identify where he's passionate about?
Absolutely. I would love to answer this because मुझे भी काफी सारे लोग ये सवाल पूछते हैं और ये काफी common questions है. So I would like to suggest only one thing. So before I answer, I would like to ask you a question. If I ask you, Vinit ji, what is your favorite cuisine? मतलब आपका favorite food क्या है?
My favorite is Punjabi food.
Yes. So before eating Punjabi food, how you conclude that Punjabi food is your favorite food?
I tried so many different cuisines and I found that this is something which I like.
You gave the answer already.
Okay.
So to find out your passion, one has to try minimum 8 to 10 things which they like to do in their life. So a person need to prepare a list of 10 things, minimum 10 things. It can be 20 as well, which he or she likes to do in his life. And then he or she has to keep on doing so many things with respect to those 10 activities which he or she likes to do in their life. And automatically, once you keep on trying different things, your intuition, your inner power will let you know that what is your passion actually. See, most of the people, what they do is they just try one or two things and eventually they just, you know, give up. why only few people are able to live a passionate life is the same problem, that we don't believe in process, we always believe in result. They say I wanted to become an author but I never followed a process. I just kept on dreaming for 13-14 years that I wanted to become an author.
Correct.
I think everything is process.
Correct.
You
Very
have
well said.
to go through the process to find out your passion as well.
Obviously, everything has got a sequence of steps to follow. So once you
Correct.
follow that, only then you can cook, only then you can do something,
Absolutely.
right? Only merely focusing on the outcome will not yield any result if you do not go through the complete process. Very well said. Very well said.
Correct.
Great. Now, Piyush ji, if people would like to, buy this book, or if they want to contact you
Hmm.
further, if they
Hmm.
want to become superhero, so how
Okay.
they can contact you, how they can buy their book, your book.
So one way of get this book is definitely from Amazon. It is available on Amazon.in, so they can order from Amazon as well. So nowadays many people have started asking me for signed copy as well.
Mhm.
So I have started sending signed copy to other people as well. So if anybody would like to order a signed copy, they can send a simple message on my WhatsApp number, which is 98253 46066. I'll repeat, 98253 46066. And people can contact me on social media as well. They can find out my social media handles with simply Piyush Patel 81. It is same on Facebook, it is same on LinkedIn as well, and it is same on Instagram as well.
Great. Piyush ji, I was looking at your mail ID. It says Piyush 10x. What is this 10x?
So 10x is it is came from my mentor Dev Gadvi actually, and this 10x thing is inspired by there is a guy named Grant Cardone. So he's a international sales trainer. So he has written this amazing book with the same name, 10x Rule. So it's very simple and powerful. Let's say if you want to earn 1 crore rupee in a year, what you should do is you need to multiply your target of 1 crore by 10. So it will become 10 crore. So your target should be achieved to 10 crore instead of 1 crore. Now imagine, instead of earning 1 crore, now your target is 10 crore. अब 1 करोड़ से 10 करोड़ कमाने के लिए what kind of changes, what kind of improvements you have to bring in your life, and you should apply this rule to everything. Let's say I want to write one book, but my target is to write 10 books. Now I have to prepare myself that I want to write 10 books. So whatever you want to achieve in your life, you just need to multiply everything by 10x, and always we should try to achieve 10x in our life. So
Great.
that is what 10x is all about.
Super formula. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you are watching this video on YouTube, we'll provide you the Amazon link in the description. And I would request Piyush sir, when we'll place this interview on Facebook, in the comment section somewhere you can provide the Amazon link and your contact details as well, so that those who want to become superheroes, they can directly get in touch with you.
And lastly, Vinitji, one more thing I would like to add, that without your help, without your inspiration, I would have never become an author. And I would definitely like to express my gratitude towards you.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
as I explain this, that you have a dream, you have achieved it, and now you are inspiring and helping other people to do the same. So with respect to my definition, you are also a superhero for many people, for me as well.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So let us hope that all of us should become superheroes, and I hope and I wish that your dream of creating that army of superheroes should be true in the minimum possible time.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
inviting me on your show. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. So do not wait. You can grab your copy and understand what is the formula to become a superhero. If any doubt, any question, you can directly get in touch with the author, and we'll see you in next video with another personality. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.